Hi, today I'm going to show you how to sew a dress using one of Spotlight's shirred fabrics in 3 easy steps. It's easier than you think. All of the materials you need for this project are available at Spotlight. You'll need some shirred fabric of choice, a sewing machine, some scissors, a tape measure, tailor's chalk, pins, and matching coloured thread. To start, measure the shirred edge of the fabric to be 7 to 10 centimeters less than your bust measurement, then cut to size. With right sides together, sew the 2 cut edges. This will become the back seam of the dress. Mark the length that you want the dress to be. Cut 1 centimeter below this marking. Finish the edge with an overlocker or zigzag stitch and sew a 1 centimeter hem. You can experiment with different bust measurements to see if you prefer the shirring to fit a little looser or a little tighter. This is just one of the projects that you can make with Spotlight. It's easier than you think.